What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Just a quick unboxing. I'm a little late. This is the November Nomadik box. This is a monthly subscription box. If you're not familiar with Nomadik, check the link in the show notes. This is a monthly subscription box for the Adventurer, the Explorer, and the Survivalist, and even EDC. So if you have someone that's like into all of these things, then this is a beautiful holiday option for you guys to make a subscription to your loved one as a gift, and this will just keep on giving. It's better than the Jelly of the Month Club, Clark. It is. It's the Explorer's Adventure Pack that you get every month, and you can get it, give them the whole year, and it'll be the gift that just keeps on giving the whole year round, right? Okay, without further ado, and I apologize for being a little late with the November box. This is a little into December, so I've probably sat on this for a couple weeks. But let's go ahead and pop it open, and you can see what we've got in the November box. Very, very cool. Again, the camping look. Got a nice little winter travels, a Nomadik sticker, and then our gear. And again, this is full of goodies. So what we have here is an RX bar, 12 grams of protein, chocolate sea salt, egg whites, almonds, cashews, dates, and no BS. So you've got a little survival bar. You've got a dry skin salve, right? Plants with purpose. A little chamomile, jojoba, and calendula, green goo, spread goodness. Okay, little stuff for your skin. Thread wallets. Well, that's a very thin, minimalist wallet if I ever saw one. So you got a little thread wallet. A Go tube. So this is the Civilized Squeezable Travel Tube. So what do we have here? No drip, lockable cap, soft and rugged, hand and carry loop, food use. So you can put your stuff in here, right? Rotate loop for handy attachment, extra large opening, no drip valve, push up, lock cap. So it's a little Go tube. What else do we got in here? And then Topo Designs. We've got a pack bag, 5 liter. Wow, 5 liters. Okay. So this is just a little space-saving packing solution, and very, very nice quality, looks like. So very, very cool. So we've got several little things for the adventurer for the month of November. There we go. There we go. There we go. And a thread wallet. So again, check the show notes for a link, and I actually do have an affiliate link for it. Appreciate the support. If you're looking to give this as a gift to your adventurer, survivalist person in your life, then check them out. As always, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as always, thanks for watching and have a good one.